Today I am reviewing the HOTO Electric Screwdriver Kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who enjoys DIY projects, home repairs, or furniture assembly, the HOTO Electric Screwdriver Kit is a tool that can completely change the way you work. This isn't just a regular screwdriver. It's a rechargeable, cordless, all-in-one solution designed for efficiency, precision, and convenience. Let's start with the bits. The kit comes with 25 high-quality S2 steel bits, including one extended PH2 bit and 24 standard bits, all built with 60 HRC hardness for exceptional durability. That means whether you're working on wood, metal, or plastic, these bits are designed to last and resist wear. Plus, the magnetic design allows for quick bit changes, so you never waste time fumbling around. The included extension rod makes reaching tight or narrow areas much easier, and the magnetic case lid keeps everything neatly organized, making it ideal for both storage and portability. One of the standout features of this screwdriver is its adjustable torque settings. You have 3 levels to choose from depending on your task. In electric mode, it delivers up to 4 Nm, which is perfect for general assembly tasks, while in manual mode, you can reach up to 8 Nm for those times you need extra control. The built-in smart sensor stops rotation immediately when you release the button, which not only ensures safety, but also allows for precise, one-handed operation. This is especially useful when working in awkward positions or on delicate items. Powering this tool is a 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery, providing long-lasting performance for all your home projects. The Type-C charging port makes recharging convenient, and a full charge takes under 150 minutes. Once charged, the screwdriver delivers reliable, consistent power, so you can complete multiple projects without interruption. Another thoughtful feature is the Shadowless circular LED light. This light automatically illuminates your work area, eliminating shadows and providing clear visibility even in dark or hard-to-reach corners. This small but crucial addition makes a huge difference when working inside cabinets, behind furniture, or in other low-light spaces. The all-in-one design of the HOTO kit really sets it apart. The kit includes one electric screwdriver, one extension rod, 24 standard S2 bits, one extended PH2 bit, and a magnetic storage case. Everything is designed for practicality, style, and ease of use. Even the compact and sleek design ensures it looks as good as it performs. A few important tips for first-time users. Make sure to fully charge the screwdriver before initial use, and avoid operating it while charging. To maintain optimal battery health, try not to leave the device in use for more than 10 months at a time. Following these steps ensures that your HOTO Electric Screwdriver Kit stays reliable for years to come. In conclusion, the HOTO Electric Screwdriver Kit is a must-have tool for anyone who wants a high-quality, versatile, and reliable screwdriver. Whether you're assembling furniture, performing repairs around the house, or working in a garage, this kit delivers precision, power, and convenience all in one compact package. Its combination of durable bits, adjustable torque, LED illumination, and rechargeable battery makes it an indispensable companion for both everyday tasks and more challenging DIY projects. For anyone looking to save time, reduce effort, and enjoy a tool that's thoughtfully designed for real-world use, the HOTO Electric Screwdriver Kit is an investment that truly pays off.